Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show to you the way how to get editing style reference on Photoshop so that you will have an easy way to edit your photo. Now you just need to open your Photoshop Express or mobile Photoshop on your phone, and after that you just need to go into your Discover. There will be three sections over here: a home, my project, and Discover. Go into the Discover and there will be a lot of reference project that you can use. You just need to find which type of photos that you want to have, and after that you just need to go click this try edits right here, and then you just need to go click it. Now wait until the Photoshop is generating the project for you, and now you just need to choose which photo that you want to use for the editings, and after that you just need to follow all of the instructions here, or it's already applied directly into your photos, and then you just need to save it by go click this part and go click save. So that's the way how to get the editing style reference on a Photoshop application. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you guys, so don't forget to leave some comments, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.